How to fix camera access denied issue in ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short video you'll learn how to fix camera access denied issue in ChatGPT on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. To fix the camera access denied issue in the ChatGPT app, you just have to click on settings. Now the ChatGPT page settings will appear on your iPhone screen. In this page, simply you just need to turn on the camera. After that, camera access denied issue will be resolved on your iPhone. Let's check it out in the ChatGPT. So you can see that the problem is solved. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.